Just do it on the switches, yeah?
Yeah.
A proper LA style.
Yeah, the main pump that was filling it all up quicker has broken, so it takes about 8 minutes to fill the whole.
Oh really? Oh yeah.
I got a Volvo AC compressor that was like filling it as well down here. The bearing's done on it, so I've had to disconnect it.
Oh, okay, cool.
But then that would fill the 3 tanks in under a minute.
Really? Wow.
Whereas now it takes about 8 minutes now to fill that all back up again.
Yeah. What size is the tank?
One real big 8 gallon and then a 9 gallon and then 2 4s.
Okay. Yeah, cool. Oh, nice, look at that.
And then the big ones hidden underneath the. They're the best compressors you can buy. It's because it weighs so much.
Yeah.
3 or 4 tons. Yeah, just under 4, I think.
Yeah, nice.
Now, I've got another one of them pumps to put on. Just trial and error to get it right. But like I say, it will take 8 minutes now to fill the whole thing. With that other pump running, it's 58 seconds.
Yeah. Nice.
I just didn't get round to doing it before I came, unfortunately.
Yeah. It's nice that you still got all that boot space though, even with that.
Still enough for a body.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Huh?
Or 2.
Yeah.
Curl them up.
Yeah.
Nice.
Lucky they're so big to start with, really.
Yeah.
It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
I bet you have one rolled around here, don't you?
It's not been too bad, touch wood, really. Like, up where I live is really small as well. Like in Godalming, Surrey, they're all small 50 roads. This is the biggest one out of them all. Well, the C10's like a full length. But that's got a BMW 330D engine in it.
Oh, okay, nice.
5-speed manual.
Yeah.
So.
I've got a BMW 355.
Yeah. I had a 335D. I just sold that. That's what I bought my new Harley with.
Oh, really? Cool.
Yeah.
Do you have it mapped up and that?
500 brake, 1,000 newton meters of torque.
Yeah, nice.
I had a custom LSD.
Yeah.
I can't leave anything alone.
No, I'm the same.
The 335i's though, you get mad power out.
Yeah, mine's the N54, so it's the twin turbo petrol.
Yeah.
It's got like stage 1 June on it basically at the moment, but
I had one of them as well.
Did you? Yeah.
I had a 335D, a black one, then I bought a 335i, and then I bought another 335D, which I then had to make faster than the first one because I sold it to my mate. But I've got 2, like I say, I got 4 Americans and that, and a work van and 3 Harleys.
Living the dream.
It's only, well,
You only drive one at a time.
Yeah, I've just signed the Buick over to my dad's because my dad's never going to afford one, so he cruises around in that.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can only. It's like today, I would have loved to bought the Harley as well, but it's like, I've got to get her for a test, and at least she can ride one of them.
Yeah.
I'm halfway through an Ironhead Sportster shop, proper low, retardedly low.
Yeah.
Like the engine will be there, your balls will be there, kind of thing. Like
nice.
You don't want to crash it.
It's a hardtail.
Yeah, that will go in the back of the 59 Apache, and then the other one I'm doing, the bagged one, should go in the C10. And then we can drive them to the shows, and then
that'd be cool. Yeah.
The Apache I want to sell, so once that's finished.
done some nice holes.
Yeah.
Pipes fitted in the cylinder. There's a clamp there, you see? 2 clamps, Allen bolts, bam.
Fish wash bash. There's not a vast amount older than me, mate.
Where are you buying from? America? Yeah, no, this is eBay. eBay on a Friday night, you know, and that's how it came. So that's the previous one, pale yellow, a bit like before there. Yeah. So we don't want Harley Davidson. Right. You can here. Yeah, you can slosh about for a bit. Because you can get water tablets, can't you? Yeah, right. I've got the purified tablets. I've got a camping trailer.